Oakley Dokley. I've made a lot of mistakes, but here's my next Python video, and library. Okay. All right. So let's see. Uh, print. Okay. So import math. Print math.py. Print math.e. Let's see. Why do I keep putting a space between? Okay, so file, save as. Okay, C users. Okay, dot py, and get equals input. This happens. Okay. All right. Get equals input. This happens. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. C users. John J. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up one level, and then I'm going to create a shortcut. Yes. And okay. All right. So leave that right there. And I guess I can drag it into the shortcuts folder. That'll save me some effort, and now I'm going to go into okay, modules and packages. Okay, so I'm not going to Ruby, I'm going to Python. So M library. Okay, so all right, that's the wrong prompt. Anaconda. Okay. M library.py. Okay. Alright, so I'm missing the parentheses. Okay, so okay. No. Okay. Okay. No, so apparently I don't know. Okay. Anaconda. Okay, M library.py. Obviously, I forgot the print statement. So, obviously, I forgot the print statement. Okay, so actually, I didn't forget the print statement. I just forgot that this is not Ruby. I did some Ruby a few minutes ago, and this is not Ruby. So if you want to print something in Python, you have to put the actual parentheses around the print, and yeah. So that's the first like 10. I'm sorry, first 10 or 20 digits of pi. 10, 15, or 20 digits of pi. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the first 15 digits of pi, the first 15 digits of E. And let's see, what is this? Let's see. Clear. Okay, E times e to the e to the 1. Yeah, e to the 1. So either one on here is 2.18281828, and yeah, so on my TI-36 Pro, it says the same thing for E as it does on the screen. Yeah, so that's gonna work. So so I know what E is, and that'll help me with my natural logarithm work. Yeah. So I got that problem done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And let's see. Okay. So I'm going to say print math that square root 36. Okay. 36. Okay. Print the sign 98. I guess that would be 1. I'm not an expert on sign. I guess, yeah, it'll probably be 1. Print math that cosine, yeah, 60. Okay. Print math that tangent 30. Okay. Yeah. It's still the same thing. Even though tangent is sine over cosine, it's still having to do with an angle. So arcsine, which is 1 over sine. Arcsine, which is 1 over sine. Okay. Math that arcsine 36, I guess, and print math that arc cosine 40, and print math that arc tangent arctangent 50. Okay, so I have to put alright, so print math dot log 100. Okay, print math dot log 10. So I guess this would be log for base 10. So I guess this would be log for base 10. And x, okay, print math dot x, okay, exponential. So I guess I don't know. Yeah. Okay, print. I guess it's e. I guess it's this e to the power of 3. I guess so. I'm not sure. So math dot ceiling. I'm gonna put a floating point number 1.11111. Okay, and print math. Okay, sorry. Math dot floor. 1.99999. Okay. All right. So file save. Okay. And I'm gonna say print. Okay. And before this, I'm gonna say print. Okay. Let's see if this works. All right. Let's see. All right. That's spelled correctly. That's. All the maths are spelled correctly. I got arcsine, arccosine, arctangent, logarithm, log 10, exponential. Okay, so let's see if that works. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see what the problem is. Okay, mlibrary.py. Okay, arcsine. Okay. Module math has new. Okay. Okay, has new. Alright. So this is saying that. This is saying, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the problem was that I was reading the mathematical version of the name, which is arcsine, arccosine, arctangent, but apparently in Python they abbreviated it to asine, acos, and atan. So, alright, so I let me save this and let's see. Okay. mlibrary.py. Okay. Math domain error. I believe the issue is that it's I guess it's trying to find the square root of a negative number. So I guess I can. It's trying to find the square root of a negative number. So math domain error. So it's trying to find the square root of a negative number. So if I want to, what I can do is I can just forward slash that out of there. I didn't hit save, did I? Okay. And library.py. Okay, invalid syntax. I'm not exactly sure what the maybe it's a backslash. Okay. 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 So I know that this arc sign is trying to get a square root of a negative number, so that's the reason why. Okay. Alright, math domain error, so all these are trying to get the square root of a negative number. Or it's a math domain error, so there's some sort of math reason why it won't work. Okay, so name X is not defined. So log 10, 35. Okay. So okay. There we go. Alright. So I had to take out the arc sign, arc tangent, arc cotangent because of math domain errors. So here's everything else. There's pi. There's pi. There's e. There is square root of 36. Let's see. What else did I have? There was sine of 90, which is 0.9 basically, and cosine of 60, which is negative 0.95. Tangent of 30, which is 6.4. Then the next after that is arctangent of 50, which is 1.55. 1.551 if you make it 4 digits, 3 digits after the decimal point. And the next one is logarithm, natural logarithm. So I think that from the definition of logarithm, it is what would have to be the exponent if your number was what would have to be the exponent if your number was a result of multiplying 10 by an exponent? What would have to be the exponent? I think that's the definition of logarithm. And then let's see. So that's the logarithm, and then the 1.544, that is the log 10, and then the math.exponent, that's the 20.08, that's math exponent, and then math.ceiling, the 1.11111 goes to 2, and then the math floor, the 1.99999 goes to 1, and then that's it. So arc sine, arc cosine, there was some sort of there was some sort of, I don't know, maybe some sort of division by zero or something like that, some sort of some sort of undefined sort of thing that the computer can't understand. So I was able to get the rest of them to work, and um, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make the next program soon. I don't know. I don't know when this is gonna happen, but yeah, I got a lot of work that I'm doing right now. So, but I'll be back into Python really soon. Probably later on today. Um, yeah, I've gotten so much work done recently. I mean, you wouldn't even believe the amount of work I got done. So, yeah. So, well, thanks everyone, and have a good day, and goodbye.